Alright, got the Raptor all loaded up, trailer on it, and we are headed out for an early morning trip up north. I'll keep you in suspense for just a little bit.
Hardee's. They don't have Hardee's in Oklahoma for some reason. They're all Carl's Jr.'s now, and so Hardee's is something of a little bit of a special thing when I'm on a road trip. Just got through Wichita, headed north, and I'm going to Kansas City. So excited about Hardee's, excited about Kansas City. I'm running up there to pick up a pretty special car that I purchased the other day. I say it's special to me. Northbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Well, it's starting to snow now. I have no idea where I'm at. So I don't know what town this is. I don't know, is it Topeka? I have no idea. Man, being up here in Kansas during pheasant hunting season, I'm starting to itch a little bit, boys. I keep seeing corn rows and maize fields cut down. Got the itch to do a little pheasant hunt. I bet you there's some pheasants down there. Hey, pheasant. Alright, I'll start giving you some hints on what we're going to pick up today. It's part of the Tri-5. It has 3 doors. It's awesome, of course. It's also bright yellow with red flames. It's got what I call zoomy pipes coming out of the sides on each side. The rear fenders have been cut. It's missing its front bumper. It's interesting. So start your guessing now. I just saw a store called Brown Sugar it says chicken and donuts. It's an interesting combination, but man, that sounds pretty good. It's a cool old building, Interstate Moving and Storage. But I'm going right over there to a little place called The Body Shop.
The destination is on your right.
Looks cool.
Arrived.
Stuff. Oh yeah. Okay. You had some wheel arches?
Right here. I'm getting here.
Because that's the part that probably I'm interested in the most.
Oh yeah. There's a molding sheet.
Thank you. Nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, I've been looking for those.
I don't know where you got it. They just came with the car.
No, that's perfect. Got her loaded all up. You see what I got there? I am coming up on Wichita, Kansas, and I have 17 miles to empty, and the closest gas station is 14 miles away, and I'm on a turnpike. So this is going to be close, boys. Well, I thought Kansas was supposed to be flat. I keep having to go up hills. So I'm at 14 miles on my empty till empty, and I'm at 11 miles. So I'm down to a 3-mile gap here because I have to keep going up hills, for crying out loud.
beautiful than that? What's right back there? Alright, let's see, I'm at 13 miles, and I'm at 10, so I'm keeping that 3 mile difference. See if I can make it. Another hill coming up.
There's just so many of these gradual hills that you got to go up that they don't give you much of a decline down on the other side to coast. So I'm trying to drive this truck as much as I can, but let's hope we make it. Gas. Left lane. 2 miles. Holy moly.
In 900 feet, you'll arrive at Phillips 66.
I'm literally coasting in on fumes. Truck's still running though, that's good.
You've arrived at your first stop.
I've got 1 mile to go and every pump is taken. I'm gonna sit here and idle. See if I run out of gas right here. That'd be great. Eric, twice in one day?
Rain, starting to rain. It's a cold rain in Wichita. Headed back down south to a mall.
Alright, so it's been about 11 hours since I pulled out this morning. What do we got there? 9:32 on the trip time. 667 miles with an average of 9.5 miles per gallon. Oh, it's been a long day, but it's been worth it.
She's ugly. She's very ugly, but she's beautiful to me. Check out the zoomies on the side, made out of basically some flared bends. This door will not open from the outside. You got to climb through. It's missing most of its trim. Got some pretty sweet little drag wheels on the front. Missing a bumper. I see it's got trim there. This is really the first time I've gotten out and looked at it, guys. So you're kind of seeing first time, just like me, that door didn't look too good right there. That's kind of boogered up. And of course, somebody either cut out or maybe it was just rusted out. Look at that. They tried to make wheel arches out of Bondo, and it's the worst Bondo job I've ever seen in my life. Let's look up there. Got a cracked window right there, so pretty cool drag wheels on the back. Back's dented. Look at that dent. Nice. That's a little bit of Bondo, a little bit of Bondo there. But we got a pretty cool sticker. At least it's got a back bumper. That's cool. Pretty much the tailgate is toast from what it looks like, but again, it's kind of dark and rainy right now, kind of drizzling. Again, this side, it's got the awesome Bondo-ish job. I again don't know why it's like that. Another broken window. Bottom of that door is trashed. Well, it's got some Bondo in it. It's been skimmed. Missing the cowl vent cover. This is bent, and that looks like Bondo. All right, Eric, what the heck did you get yourself into this time? Well, I got myself into that, and it's awesome, in my opinion. See what the inside looks like. Ooh, nice. Okay, so instead of door skins, it's got some stainless that's pulling out from the door. No carpet. How are the floorboards? Well, they look a little bit like the wheel wells. Somebody has just gotten really... They've probably put 50 pounds of Bondo into this thing. But I just can't... I don't know if that's all rusted out or not. I'll have to see. Got a ton of extra parts. This says Bel Air on it, but I just don't think it is a Bel Air, but you know, we'll dig into that. Headliner's in bad shape. Back seats. The seats are actually in pretty decent shape. Over there, the driver's side's not good. But the back seats are folded down right now because I've got the guy threw in two decent tailgates. I don't know if you can see that over there.
So I've got 2 tailgates and a bunch of parts. I'm afraid to look underneath this thing. Looks interesting. Hey, it's got new shocks. The tires are in really good shape. All right, first drive. And she actually drives pretty good. Brakes are great. The engine needs a tune-up or something. Listen to that. Nice backfires. So it's running rich, or I've got a cylinder and a spark plug that's not working right, or something. Timing needs to be set. But we're running down the road. She runs straight. Backfire. So yeah, I got timing issues, or I got spark plug wires, or something. Most of the gauges do not work. I think the oil pressure gauge does. Heater works. I got one vent working. Here's my zoomies. She idles really nice. I thought the zoomies would be a lot louder. The ugly needs a lot of work. She steers good, brakes good, shifts good, heater works. This is fancy for me. All right, guys, she's ugly, but she's beautiful to me. We're gonna make a big project out of her. I've got Excursion over there that we're still working on too. I've got 55 now. I've got H3 Hummer that I'm still figuring out what I'm gonna do on that. I've got a bunch of opinions from a lot of different people, and I'm still kind of deciding what I'm gonna do on that. Of course, I've got Old Bones over there still doing a good job for me. Guys, thanks again for taking a journey with me to Kansas City. It was a lot of fun. I had a good adventure. I think I got a pretty good deal on a car. Like I said, it's ugly. I could probably flip it right now and double my money. But at the same point in time, I kind of want to fix her up a little bit and see what I can do with her. So she's rough. She's unpolished. She's been rat rotted. She's been hot rodded. She's been teenage rotted, whatever you want to call it. And now I got to put her back to her at least as cool as I can get her. Maybe not original, but because that's just too much work. But I can put her back to coolness and make it kind of a cool little get around. So guys, Epic Cars, baby. Take care. See you next time. God bless. Before, after.